Nakhon Si Thammarat. Today, our team is taking to you a little bit in the heart of Thongthuri. This district get ready to explore Ai Kheo Water Place.
If tourists to travel Ai Kheo waterfall from the center Nakhon Si city, the distance is approximately 30 minutes.
This is as also known by locals as nature. This is peaceful paradise surrounded by luxury, nursery and the significant Khao Luang mountain range.
Make Ai Kheo special with crystal clear water and large flat rock platform is the perfect spot for a family picnic or just relax by the stream. There are three levels in total. The island is the stunning view of the high mountain in the background, making it one of the most photo visit spots in the province. If you love nature and fresh water, Ai Kheo is waiting for you. Come and experience the magic of Nakhon Si Thammarat yourself. See you here. Bye.
We have arrived at Ai Kheo Waterfall.